Hello there, Project Sage here. During my last Japan trip, I found myself in a part of Osaka where the stores sell plenty of anime figures and merchandise. Found myself in Denden town. Oh, it's really here. I was not able to buy this. Maybe I'll buy this 2000. Denden Town is the Osaka equivalent to Kihabara in Tokyo with its anime stores. There's a lot of options, whether you're looking for brand new stuff or pre-owned, rare, and out-of-print items. There's a lot of bargains to be had if you took time to shop around. Hero Gang had a nice collection of vintage and modern Transformers, though my favorite robots were not on my list for this trip. Joshin Super Kids Land, and they are Japan's largest store of model kits from Gundam to a lot of other properties. Their massive display speaks for itself. I finished at Mandarake, another multi-story store of various nerd stuff. It has everything: manga, figures, and I mean everything. Hello there. Here we have my Japan haul when I visited Denden town in Osaka. I got a few items here, although these are items that I rarely find in the Philippines because they're quite hard to find. They're Ichiban lottery prizes, and I rarely find them for sale if I can. So, given the chance, given my limited budget and limited luggage space, I went for this one, for these four figures. Okay, so let's start first with the open one because I got two RAM figures here. The open one is a RAM prize figure which you can get from playing an online lottery, I think. I'm not too sure, but this is a RAM with the Crazy Demon face. I like Crazy Demon RAM as much as I like Cute RAM because they're two sides of the same coin. And this one is actually better than I thought because it has a pearlescent sheen, like it's made out of mother of pearl, which is nice, and I really like that it's an action mode. Okay, so that's RAM. The second RAM I got. This is the second RAM I got. The 1/3 art style RAM bust. Of course, if I think this is the last prize RAM of one of the ReZero Ichiban Kuji lotteries. Now I got this at a great price because it comes with a few issues, but I decided those are issues that I can live with. For example, dented box, some minor paint transfers, some minor paint application errors. I thought that I can live with that. I just want to have a nice 1/3 scale bust or brim for my collection. And I'm glad to have there at a great price. The other Ichiban Kuji prize figure I got is this of Misato from Evangelion. Now, weebs will debate who is best girl from Evangelion, whether it's Rei or Asuka. But the real ones know, the legends know that Misato is the best one. Best girl, best woman, best MILF, best starship captain. That's Misato. And I finally have a figure of her. She's had some figures over the years, but Not as many as, of course, as Rei as Asuka. But I think she deserves to have more figures. And I'm actually glad finally have a Misato figure for my collection. And the fourth figure that I got is actually a bobblehead of Anya. And it's an Anya Forger bobblehead featuring the most famous meme face. That's probably the main reason why I got this. Anya with the meme face. So, that's my haul. What do you think? Let's open it! This four, I think I got a pretty solid haul. Could have been more, could have been less, but I got what I got and I'm happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this haul unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Until then, I remain Project Sage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.